In this video, we cover Redis sets, an unordered collection where every member is unique and membership checks are nearly instant, no matter how large the set grows. Reach for a set anytime you need to track a group of unique things, like the tags on a post or which users have seen a notification, and you want instant answers to the question, is this item in the group? Internally, Redis stores set members in a hash table, which is why add, remove, and membership checks all run in constant time. There is no index, no position, just presence or absence. Watch what happens when we add red twice. SADD only counts the new members it actually inserted, so the duplicate is dropped silently. SES-member returns 1 for present and 0 for absent, and SCARD gives us the total member count. When reviewing a pull request, check that membership tests use SIS-member rather than fetching all members and filtering. Also flag any S-members call on a set that can grow without bound. That is a classic production incident waiting to happen. Remember, sets give you uniqueness and order 1 membership checks for free. The one trap is S members on a large set. Always ask whether the set is bounded before calling it in a hot path.